flowers. So this is how the design of the background, how I want it to be so far. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much so this will be the back of it. So basically it'll kind of be like a headboard-ish. So far I only got this corner ready. I got pieces together. Like, as you can see, I put pieces together so that it will be easier for me to do it. But this is the front of it, so it would be just like a normal, you know, the normal shrubs and everything. But to make it a little different, I also get stuff over here. See, these are some flowers that I'm gonna put on to make everything look nice. Some more leaves to make everything pop, to make it really look like it's a tropical thing. Have some more flowers to make everything, you know, kind of go together. See, and it matches.
You're going to take your shoes off. What you doing? What you doing? Bye, everybody.
Okay, so the only thing that I'm doing is I'm just taking this little wire thread that's the same color as this. As you can see, it will blend in the exact same way. And the only thing I'm doing is just every section that you see right here, I'm just going in and just putting the wire through and just twisting it and just wrapping them right around each other until it creates a circle. That's it. So all you can see right now, I have this whole entire section done, and I just have these two sections here to add on, and then I'll be done. And then we can flip this over and you can see the headboard panel basically of how it will be. And then after that, I'll put on the flowers that I got that I'm gonna show you guys, and you're gonna see exactly how it's gonna look afterwards. So stay tuned to. And for the bottom, like when I connect the bottom ones down, when I connect the top to the bottom, I only put 3 pieces. But when I connect the sides, I put 4 because I don't want them to pull. I don't want it to pull apart. So I wanted to keep it nice and tight together. For this, I know it'll just basically be on top of this. Gravity will basically keep this. Will want to push down onto this one, and this one will basically want to pull down on the top one.
feed your doggy. Go feed your doggy.
This is the layout that I'm picking so far. This is how far I've gone. I still have these long flowers to do. So what I'm gonna do is play around and see how I like them and see where I want.
Okay, one day, Daddy gonna done. See you later. Daddy gonna done.